Hi guys, it's me Jimmy Gig. The new 4K monitor from LG called LG31MU97 is coming this month. It is gonna be the awesome 4K monitor that I have been waiting for. You will be wondering, Jimmy, why this LG31MU97 will be something amazing. There's already Asus 4K monitor, there's HP 4K monitor, there's Dell 4K monitor, there's bloody 5K monitor for Apple iMac bullshit. But Jimmy, tell me why I should even consider this monitor. First, let me tell you the price point. If you're on a budget, go away. You cannot afford this monitor. This monitor is gonna cost you around $1,400, mean $1,400 US. Okay, let's get a crap out. This monitor is basically designed for the professional editing. This monitor is a 31-inch IPS display, nothing special. It is a 4K resolution with a cutting edge display, edge to panel. Okay, nothing else. It follows a DCI standard, nothing else. But the main outstanding on this monitor is designed for a professional who do Photoshop CS6, who do Adobe Premiere Pro, who do After Effects, who do what kind of ever hell kind of graphic editing, video editing, web design, web development. Indeed, yes, this monitor is a 10-bit color monitor, but basically you can use any kind of monitor to do your video editing, graphic editing, web development. But why this monitor stand out? This is going to be the world first. Don't sue me, I can be wrong. I researched a lot on this. This monitor is gonna be the world first monitor that is going to cover the Adobe RGB color space 99.5%. Indeed, you've heard me right. 99.5%, nearly 100%. So it means whenever you're using like Photoshop, it means whatever you see the color on the display, it will be the real color when you print out. It is really hard. Like this, my laptop is sporting only 50%. This Lenovo E540 ThinkPad is only sporting 50% of sRGB Adobe color. My my desktop monitor sport only are 79%. This is gonna world first monitor. This is nearly 100% supporting Adobe color. So it means I can just use Adobe color. I do not need to test any on another display like a multiple screen to see the color. You will be thinking, what's the big deal? For example, if I design a graphic or a web development, sometimes the yellow color I'm seeing look very awesome on my display. But when I print on the magazine, when I print on the flyer, the brochure, it's gonna be look like a mustard yellow. I'll be wondering, I was seeing the yellow, it was a bright yellow, why the hell it turned mustard yellow? Because you are using the Adobe RGB color when your display can only cover up to 80%. Basically mean, if you don't know what the hell I'm talking, this monitor properly not for you. If you really know what the hell I'm talking, this monitor for you. Basically, I do Photoshop a lot, I do web development a lot. If this monitor can give me 99.5%, I'm gonna give it $2,000 to even get this monitor. I'm waiting eager for this monitor. Indeed, I'm gonna review this monitor within next 2 weeks. Let's see how this monitor is going to be. Show 4K monitor. I'm really loving it. Just buy it. I will just say, if you're a web designer, if you're a web content creator, whatever the hell you are, definitely get this monitor. Indeed, my old monitor, 5-year-old monitor is a LG Flatron. I bought it around $300 US, not so expensive. That was designed for a professional. It's a TFT monitor, but it was designed. I bought the TFT monitor over LED because it was designed for professional editing. Indeed, I love that monitor, but now it is looking like outdated monitor because I can see the pixel in 4K monitor. Barely you can see any kind of pixel. Plus 99.5% Adobe RGB color space. Okay, just subscribe to my channel and share this video, like this video. If you hate me, just hate me. If you like me, just like me. Bye, nada.